Today's question was, well, it should be 40. But what is your research topic? Okay. So I don't particularly need to have an answer, but you should have it written down what your topic is. Because at this point you should have an actual topic chosen. Right? What we're going to do today is we're going to be out in the computer, guys. Wow. Okay. We'll be out in the computer lab, but I'll go through quick what we're going to be doing in there. Can you grab the lights, ready?
So we don't even need these.
All right. So what you should have at this point is basically here on up. Okay, you should have an article chosen. Want to grab the door? You should have an article chosen, cited, and everything. Okay. If you look on it skyward, you should have, or you should see that you got your the grades all throughout the rest of the year. Okay, so these are your due dates. These are already posted in there. If you notice that what we're going to be doing today, which is due next week Thursday, is highlighting your main points and then choosing your 3 article points or your topics. Okay, so we combined these because last week with the subunit, I'm not penalizing you guys at all because it wasn't your fault. So what you'll be doing today is these 2 points right here, which is basically you copy and paste your article, go through and highlight the main points. And here what you're starting to do is starting your outline. So your 3 points, all I'm really looking for by the end of the day today is to have everything highlighted and the 3 points. So I have one, what it's saying right here is one paragraph is going to be about 3D printing, one's going to be about 2D scanning, and one's going to be about the Kinect sensor. Okay. What I would suggest doing today, since that should only take you a little bit, is start actually doing your research, the actual research on the topic. So go out and actually find some more information, because this date right here is the Thursday after spring break. Okay, and this date right here are that Thursday before spring break, so that last day. Okay, how many of you guys really think you're going to be productive on that Thursday before spring break? Okay, so we got 2. I even know that myself. You know, nothing's really going to get done. Okay, how many of you guys are planning on doing research over spring break?
All day,
all day, every day, nothing but. Okay, that's what I thought. So I'm not saying that's bad because I personally wouldn't be doing that either. And if I did, it probably wouldn't be till Sunday afternoon. So what I would suggest doing today, like I said, is find your 3 points and then just start doing your outline and your research article or your researching. So like I can do, if I do some research on 3D printing, I know that there's 7 different types. I can start, these are the different types. Okay. If I find a useful information, like a useful link for right now, Kenny, what I would do is just take the URL and you can just copy and paste that. We'll go back and cite it later, but just so that you guys can start getting the main portion of your research. What did you pull out? What were the main points that you pulled out from this information? Okay. So basically, you're already starting to work on step number, whatever that is, 5. So you're already starting to do that by doing your research. Okay, and then just basically snowballs, and you're able to get it done quicker, faster, so that we can eventually just go out into the shop. Are there any questions on what you need to do for this? Okay, go ahead.
Do you need